In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in ConvertKit. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your email subscribers so you can send the right message to the right people. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what you'll see on the screen, and how to make sure your tags are set up correctly. First, log into your ConvertKit account and head to your main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on Grow, and a submenu will appear just below it. From that submenu, select Subscribers. This is where you can view and manage like all the people on your email list. Once you're on the subscribers page, you'll see your list of subscribers in the main area. Now, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There, you should find a section labeled All Tags. This is the area where all of your existing tags are stored, and where you'll be adding new ones. Next to all tags, there's a small plus icon. This is the button you'll use to create a new tag. Click on that plus icon and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is where you'll give your new tag a name. In the field provided, type in the name you want for your tag. Try to choose a clear, descriptive name that will make sense later, such as a topic your subscriber is interested in, a product they purchased, or an action they took. Like signing up for a specific lead magnet. Good naming makes your list easier to manage over time. After you've entered your tag name, click the Save button in the pop-up. ConvertKit will create the tag and close the window for you. Now, look back at the All Tags section on the right side. Click on All Tags to expand the list if it isn't already open. You should see your newly added tag appear in that list. This confirms that your tag was created successfully and is ready to use for segmenting your subscribers or automating your workflows. If you want to add more tags, just repeat the same process. Click the plus icon next to all tags, enter a new tag name, and save. You can create as many tags as you need to keep your audience organized and your email marketing targeted and effective.